again.
Welcome back to our channel.
We are Nendelas.
Yes, we are.
With another amazing video.
So guys, we are really sorry that we were off the grid for a while.
Yes.
But now we are back.
With a bang.
Yes, and with an amazing news for you guys.
Oh yes.
Drum roll. Guys, we moved
From Nairobi, Kenya.
to UAE.
Actually, to be precise,
Dubai.
Yes.
Yes.
We decided to leave our country so that at least we come and see what Dubai holds for us.
And guys, we are back. And when I mean we are back with amazing videos for you guys.
Yes.
Not only cooking videos,
No.
but
Also our day-to-day activities.
yes,
And we believe that it's going to be fun.
yes, it will.
Fun.
So guys, stay tuned.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Guys, for those who have not subscribed, please subscribe,
Oh yes.
like,
Share.
and
Comment down below.
let us know what kind of videos you guys want to watch from us.
Please.
Yes, and don't forget to press the notification bell.
Anytime we upload a video, you get to know.
Yes. So guys, here's a short video.
Of our trip from Kenya.
Yes, to Dubai. Hope you enjoy and
Hope you
stay
enjoy.
tuned.
Yes. Bye.